Nakikita si Davao City Mayor Sara Duterte kang former President Gloria Arroyo sa kauluhan. Samtang gipirmahan na ang Sister City Agreement tali sa syudad sa Zamboanga ug Dakbayan sa Davao. Ani report ni Argil Relator.
Nakikita si Davao City Mayor Sara Duterte niadtong Miyerkules kay former President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo sa usa ka hotel sa kauluhan. Diin kabahin gihapon kuno kini sa consultation sa mayor.
HNT will never decide for Mayor Sara. No? It's only Mayor Sara herself who can decide whether she wants to run for the presidency in 2022. But of course, kami po mga members ng kanyang partido sa Hugong Bago, we are encouraging her, we support her if she decides, we will support her if she decides to run for president. As a matter of fact, for that matter, we will even support her if she decides to run for mayor next year.
Bisan daghang partido ang nangulitaw kaniya, magpabilin kuno siya sa HNP o hugpong ng Pugabago.
Hugpong ng Pugabago is a regional party, and if Mayor Sara decides to run for president in 2022, she cannot use HNP dahil po regional party po, no? So, ang nangyayari po niyan, pag natuloy po siya tumakbo bilang presidente, she will be running as independent po.
Historic signing of the Sisterhood Agreement between the City of Zamboanga and the City of Davao.
Karong adlaw ana si Mayor Sara sa Zamboanga City alang sa signing of Sister City Agreement sa Davao City ug Zamboanga City. Tumong niini aron magtinabangay ang duha ka syudad aron sa paspas nga kalambuan. Gibisita sab sa mayor ang sobra 20 ka mga sundalong survivors sa nahagsang C-130 plane sa Sulu nga naa sa Zamboanga City Medical Center.
This is a goodwill visit of Davao City to the soldiers and gipaabot namon sa ilaha ang mga get well soon wishes sa ilaha.
They are not our constituents from Zamboanga or Davao, but Mayor Inday precisely sent her specialists from Davao to respond to them, and now they have their social workers to also assist in the psychosocial response.
Ako si Argil Relator para sa One Mindanao.